Pie menus. First Shading Nerd introduced shader tree pie menus to quickly add shader layers, materials and textures, as well as setting their effects. With the version 2.0, these pie menus got better organization, icons, and also new entries which some can be chosen to be visible or not. Both pie menus have also favorite sections, where you can add your most common shader layers or their effects. It gets even better. While pie menus are called with shortcuts Shift plus space for adding layers and Ctrl plus space for changing effect, using Ctrl plus F or Shift plus F in shader tree will pop up directly the favorites menu.